Hey there, my name is Jess. I want to give a shout out to Joel. Joel has been my mentor. He has helped me get my affiliate marketing business off the ground. I was trying to figure things out on my own, kind of lost out there. I'm sure a lot of you, if you've tried this online thing before, there's a lot of bad information, there's a lot of overwhelm and frustration for us as beginners. And all of that went away when I found Joel. He's direct, he's honest, he's no BS. He is just trying to help others get success online and see the type of success that he has seen. He knows what works, he knows what doesn't, he's going to be honest, and he's going to give you the steps that you need to actually build your own online business, actually have time and financial freedom that I know you want, I know you deserve. Trust me, you can trust Joel, follow his lead, follow his steps, and you will get there with his help and his training.